In a national wave of civil rights activism, many students at Rice University demanded the removal of the William Marsh statue due to his identity as a slave owner. The students' activism, which grew from open conversations, inspired us to create a Django web application where people can freely share their opinions on the cultural significance of artworks in the area and become more socially aware of cultural sentiments surrounding art in the United States. Let's first explore the monument's scanning function. Transparency uses a photo scan of any statue or artwork to find related websites and YouTube videos, which will expand your view on the topic. Right now, we're going to scan the William Marsh Rice statue. As you can see here, after uploading the image, we are provided with comments from users who have also visited the place and scanned the statue. Through the Google Vision API and the Natural Language API, we were able to present several features of the Rice statue. First, we can see the list of keywords extracted from the image via OCR text detection, and these keywords are used to identify the statue. Secondly, we can see the comments of users who have scanned the statue. And more importantly, you can see the sentiment scores of all commenters. The Rice statue is highly controversial, and you can see this reflected in the sentiment scores. With the list of keywords, Transparency extracts the most relevant keywords and inputs it into a YouTube search with Google's YouTube Data API. When I click here on a YouTube video, you can see that I am now actually linked to an interesting video about the Rice statue. In addition, it also extracts comment threads for each of the videos. With really long comment threads, you can scroll down to the sentiment scores, which also uses Google's natural language sentiment analysis to get a summary of how most users felt about the video. If we navigate over to the Add Comments page, we can also write our own comment regarding the statue and let our own voice be heard. This comment will be registered into a backend Django database, and an algorithm will render it onto the page the next time someone scans the statue. Finally, through a real-time collaboration heat map developed by the heat map layer from Google Maps, JavaScript API, and Firebase to store the coordinates of visited landmarks, users can pinpoint the popularity of certain landmarks and find any other interesting monuments to visit next along their stroll or outing. The collaborative nature encourages users to keep exploring their city and on the side learn a little bit of history. We know that open conversations is the key to facilitating social change, but in times of tensions and turmoil, this can be difficult. However, we want to keep the fight for social justice going, and transparency allows just for that.